Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're spotlighting what we believe is the best cowbell percussion instrument with clamp available right now. The 7-inch cowbell and cowbell clamp for drum sets by ZiBeiLe. Let's kick things off with the sound, because, after all, that's what a cowbell is all about. The ZiBeiLe 7-inch cowbell delivers a bright, crisp, and lively tone. It's slightly higher pitched than traditional models, which makes it stand out beautifully in any musical ensemble, whether you're rocking out with a full band or just adding some flavor to a solo performance. It cuts through the mix with clarity, not too tinny, not too dull, just the right tonal sweet spot that percussionists crave. Now let's talk construction. This cowbell is made from stainless steel and metal, giving it not only a sleek black finish but also long-lasting durability. It's corrosion-resistant and ready for the stage, the studio, or even the street. Weighing in at just around 2 pounds, it strikes the perfect balance between sturdiness and manageability. You're getting a solid instrument that doesn't feel like a tank, perfect for gigging musicians who need gear that travels well and holds up under pressure. One of the biggest perks of this model is its user-friendly design. It comes with an adjustable clamp that makes mounting it onto your drum set a breeze. Whether you're adding it to your cymbal stand, your kick drum, or a custom rig, setup is quick and intuitive. You won't be fumbling with awkward angles or tools mid-gig, just mount it, tighten it, and you're ready to play. And speaking of playing, this cowbell doesn't just come by itself. ZiBeiLe includes a well-crafted percussion stick in the package. It's not some throwaway accessory, it's a proper beater designed to work hand in hand with the belt to produce consistent, controlled strikes. That's an excellent value addition that turns this into a complete performance-ready package, right out of the box. Versatility is another huge advantage. Whether you're into Latin, rock, funk, or experimental music, this cowbell fits right in. You can even use it as a standalone hand percussion instrument. The adjustable mounting means it adapts to a wide range of musical setups, and the sound quality ensures you'll get noticed no matter where you're playing. ZiBeiLe has crafted a simple yet highly effective piece of gear that delivers where it matters most. Whether you're a seasoned drummer looking to expand your kit or a beginner exploring rhythm, this cowbell offers the performance and reliability you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hands-on product breakdowns. And if you're thinking of adding a new cowbell to your arsenal, you might just want to give this one a ring.